Hey, it's David Baer, and in this video we're going to take a look at an advanced artificial intelligence tool that is perhaps one of the best copywriting assistants I have come across so far. In fact, if you think about the way that copywriting often works, is that there's a master copywriter and then there's what might be considered their apprentice, or what they call copy cubs. And this is really an amazing copy cub, if you will, that will help generate the initial drafts for all of your copy that you need in your business. It's called Benson, BNSN, and I'm going to show you inside my account right now. You can see I have some projects that I'm already working on, but I'm going to actually build a brand new, what's called a blueprint here, and guide you through how this all works. So the idea here is that you pull in some very basic information, and then it starts to generate information about the business and its vast trained insights into both the industry that you're pulling from, as well as the type of prospect, persona, avatar that you're marketing to, what their motivators are, what their problems and pain points are, what their desires are, etc. I'll show you all of that in just a moment. And to do this, I just went on to Google and I looked up the best thing I could think of immediately, which was a local dental office here in Portland, Oregon. I don't know this office at all, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of the information here on their website, just copy it. I'm going to bring it back over to here. Let's see if I've exceeded the allotted information space here. So let's see if we can let's get rid of some of this stuff and see if we can get that number down. It needs to be around 300. Let's see, getting close. Let's get rid of this as well. And I think that, nope, a little bit more. Okay, here we go. We're almost there, so I just need to get rid of one more word and then we'll be good. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, so 298 words, create my blueprint. I forgot to put a name in here. The name of this is Southwest Portland Dental. All right, and now, and I think I misspelled Portland. I did. Okay, there we go. And we're going to go ahead and it's going to start working on building out the blueprint for this particular business. Now, it's very smart and it's going to get a lot of things right. It'll also get some things wrong. But you see, here's a before. Struggling to find a job as a dentist? Nope, 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 nope. Struggling to find a great local dentist in Portland. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and save that. Unsatisfied with the impersonal nature of many dental practices. Yep, okay. And so this is like the what's somebody thinking before. Again, highly sought after. Nope. Well, let's just leave that for now. That might actually work, but we'll see. It's guessing that it's niche, general dentistry, family dentistry, dental care, the avatar, families, adults, and children. Yes, so let's look at the goals. Maintain good oral health, achieve a bright and healthy smile, receive high-quality dental care. Let's not touch any of this, but at this point what I would do is I would actually go through here and see, what I like, what I don't like. I could just leave this as is and decide to come back when I'm generating copy drafts and say, that's not right. Let me go back and see what is going on inside of the blueprint that I need to change up. Now, I'm going to jump over here to the project creator and let's choose our Southwest Portland Dental, and I can do any number of different types of copy pieces. And this is right now in beta. I've had it for several months now. I've been playing with a bunch of the different writing pieces, but as you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff that's being tested right now, and they are adding more and more content all the time. Now, unlike a typical template where you have sort of pre-written copy and there's some blanks that you fill stuff in. This is actually built around frameworks, concepts, and it is being written from scratch by AI. So let's take a look and see what this might look like if we were to, grab the epic promo style. So we're going to just call this... An epic is a style that was developed by the guy who created this platform, Jon Benson. It asks to create some additional information. I'm going to just skip doing that for now and hit continue and hit the magic button because I want you to see how this works. It's actually making some guesses now based on the answers that I didn't provide back there. But you can see what happens here is it's now writing an engaged... an email to engage leads. So there's a few different subject lines. Discover the secrets to maintain a bright smile. A warm welcome to our dental care family. Now, I didn't give it I don't know if I gave it the name of the business or not. We're thrilled to have you join us on the road to better oral health. I get it. Going to the dentist can sometimes feel a bit nerve-wracking. Trust me, I've been there too. Even with many years of working in dentistry and helping many happy patients, I still find new things to learn every day. Here's some good news. My many years in dentistry have equipped me with the knowledge and experience to make your dental journey comfortable and rewarding. I'm committed to making sure you get the best care. So I hope you'll trust me to guide you. And then there's a bit more information. Now, I may like this, I may not like it, I may want to adjust it. And so I'm going to hit save, and I have the ability, by the way, there's lots and lots and lots of other emails in here. This is something I could rerun completely. In fact, let's do that. I'm going to have it completely rewrite it. And it's writing another version of the same sort of framework of an email. Let's say I like that. I can hit replace. If I don't like it, I can hit trash. But let's say I want to refine this and create urgency this time. I'm going to go ahead and hit that. Now you remember what we had there before. So just to make this a little bit easier to read, I'm going to make this larger. Unlock the hidden secrets of a bright smile. I don't remember what discover the secrets to maintain a bright smile. So a little bit more direct. Welcome to our dental family. We're excited to help guide you on the path to improve oral health. Let's be real. Most people don't look forward to their dentist appointments. It's completely normal. But remember, even us professionals continually learn and adapt in the ever-evolving field of dentistry. The good news? With years of experience under my belt, my goal is to make your dental journey as painless and beneficial as possible. Truly. So here's the deal. I'm dedicated to giving you the best dental care, and I hope you'll trust me in this process. Now, let's say I like it. Let's go ahead and replace it. But maybe I'm not too keen on the way that this first line is written. So now I can say something like, create more trust. And it's going to look at just this line and say, okay, I'm going to create more trust. Glad you're here with us. We're ready to walk you through the steps toward better oral health, just like we've done for many others. Okay, just like we've done for many others, creates more trust. Let's say I want to do something else instead. So let's highlight that and see what else I can get. I can do create urgency, juicify. Let's make it more dynamic. Thrilled you're here. Let's kickstart your journey to better oral health together. Okay, I don't love that particularly, given the industry. Let's see if maybe we want to do something that's a little bit more conservative. So kill the hype. Okay, it says we're excited, and now it's saying welcome to our dental family. We look forward to guiding you toward better oral health. So a little bit more conservative a tone rather than the excited language here. So you can see that it's really quite easy to be able to go in and manipulate this, and then have it basically generate the results, the outcome of a particular document. So I'm going to now go back to the project creator, and I'm going to show you one or two others. So let's try an advertorial. I have no idea what this would be like, but Southwest Dental advertorial, and I think that was the short version. Oops, I forgot to. Let's go ahead and copy that so I don't have to retype that. Southwest Dental. I always forget that part. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and create an advertorial. And there's 4 different advertorials here. It's not asking me for any additional information. It's pulling everything from that blueprint. So I'm going to go ahead and hit go, and it's going to start writing a short version of an advertorial. So the headline: achieve a bright, healthy smile fast with our simple, family-friendly dentistry service. What if your regular dental checkups could enhance your oral health more than any toothpaste or mouthwash ever could? Kind of an interesting opening. Okay, let's regenerate it. Let's say I don't like this and I want to... What if creating a habit of regular checkups could improve your oral health more than endless brushing or flossing ever could? So you see, it's a similar structure, but it's not quite the same language, right? And so you understand how we're adjusting. Let's now see if I want to create something. Let's see. Make me feel it. I have no idea what that means. Imagine if just making visits a routine could heal your mouth more deeply than all the brushing and flossing in the world. So I guess make me feel it probably means extract more emotion in the language would be my guess. I don't really love that, so I'm going to leave that as is. But we can go back here and see, is there other stuff that we want to adjust, right? So let's do another advertorial. Okay, so I guess there's like 4 different frameworks would be my guess for advertorials. 1 visit to our general dentistry. Okay, again, that kind of needs to be adjusted by hand. Our dental practice or something like that. So let's hit save. And now I think I can go in here and I can type right here. So if I want to, adjust that, making one small change to your dental routine, such as scheduling a visit to our family dentistry office, can not only enhance your smile for good, but it can also help boost your self-confidence faster, literally helping to brighten and tighten your oral health, ensuring a bright, healthy smile for families, adults, and children. Okay, I kind of like it. I don't love it, and so let's see if we want to refine it. I don't know what the focuser is. It looks like it's in beta. It's something new. Let's go to the Juicify and see what we get as a result of this. Sleep your way to a brighter smile with 1 visit to our family dentist. Just picture this: a minor tweak in your dental care routine leading to a stunning smile that amps up your self-esteem. It's really that simple. And that it goes on to explain what that actually means. Kind of interesting. All right, let's go ahead and replace it with that. That's kind of cool. All right, and let's save that. I don't love the headline. There's still something a little weird with the headline. So let's see if I can create more trust with the headline. Get a brighter smile in just 1 visit to our trusted family dentist. Okay. I don't love it, but I would, I can play around with this more and more. And so that's kind of the structure. We can go to the 3rd one. This time it's asking, in this case, for a short, catchy phrase designed to enhance the prospect, keeping them reading. Things like 10-second fix or breakthrough approach. But I don't have to. I can leave it blank. And so I'm going to just do that. And it's going to come up with that catchy little phrase. Health enhancing trick is, I think, probably what it chose. And it's making up, and this is important for you to know, it's making up, in this case, a story, and maybe even, and sometimes it might even make up testimonials if you don't give it testimonials or specific stories. So you could always go and swap this out. You can say, yeah, this is great, but that's not actually true. And then you can go, well, I'm not in Pennsylvania. I didn't tell it that I was in Oregon, but let's say that needs to be adjusted, right? So I can just go in and change that. There is no, patient named John Miller, or, his wife, Sarah, right? So we can either find real people's names, or we can adjust to a different and real story that we might want to tell. But in this case, let's just say, I want to create more trust there. I can rewrite this, and you kind of see the pattern, how this goes. Now, there's a whole bunch more in here. One of the things that I absolutely love is this cloner option. And this cloner option, basically all I want to do is I can take any email that I have received, and now I have actually just dropped in here an email on a completely different topic from a guy whose email list I'm on. His name's Ben Settle, and he writes pretty kind of highly opinionated. He's got a lot of personality in his emails, and it's on a completely different subject line or subject, which is about email marketing. That's basically what he writes about, is writing emails and copywriting. And so I'm going to take this copy, and I've chosen the Southwest Portland Dental blueprint, and I'm going to go ahead and have it generate a new email based on the original that I just uploaded, and it's going to basically copy the framework. So the subject that was originally, let's go back to the original one, the dirty word that supposedly kills sales is now the misconception that supposedly ruins smiles. And let's go back to the original. Once upon a time, yours risky, he's kind of clever with his language here, or at least he thinks he is, decided to use this supposedly spam filter hostile subject line during an affiliate campaign. The $22 million swipe file. And then he goes on to tell a story, right? Now it's saying, as we've changed it, right? Once upon a time, let's make this a little smaller so we can read it. Once upon a time, Southwest Portland Dental decided to run the supposedly unattractive promotion campaign, The Revolution in Dental Care, which promoted a response from an interested patient. Wow, you guys are actually addressing dental pain and fear? I thought these topics were too taboo for dental office. Okay, so you sort of see it's following the structure. Now, is this the best email structure for this particular type of business? Probably not, but it's kind of interesting, and I can go through and I can play around with, okay, here's a better one. Yours toothfully. That's kind of funny. Painful dental procedures as the subject line, which prompted a response from an eagle-eyed patient. Wow, the tooth fairies at your dental office allow you to use the word painful in your communication? I thought the word painful was also a terrifying and scary word. You are the master of making it into my inbox. Now, again, I don't love this, but you can see it's kind of amazing that it could take this concept from a completely different world, a completely different industry, and apply the framework here into the specific blueprint that we've got. And so, finding something that might be a similar business, let's say it's a law office or a financial advisor, and applying that structure of an email to a dental office, you absolutely could, and it's going to be a little bit more natural in terms of the flow here. But I want you to see how easily you can take a framework from pretty much anywhere and apply it directly into whatever blueprint you choose inside of Benson. It's an amazing tool. It's perhaps my favorite copywriting tool that is built around artificial intelligence at the moment, and I highly recommend you check it out. You can do so when you visit AICopyCub.com. That's my referral link, my affiliate link over to Benson. It's AICopyCub.com, and I hope that you like what you see here because it's a pretty amazing tool, and it keeps getting better pretty much every single week. They are sharing a new update, a new tweak, a new discovery that they've made, and they're constantly adding more and more project types here, particularly for different types of businesses. So while they started with a lot of kind of online-based business, we're now getting offline business, local business, B2B business, and other types of marketing frameworks for all different types of industries and business models. And I'm very excited to see where this is going. I highly recommend you check it out. Again, it's AICopyCub.com.